Hey guys, this is Amir P, who's doing my task 2 on data science and business analytics under the Sparks Foundation. This task is about unsupervised machine learning. Okay, so this is my code. So we're going to implement k-means clustering using a famous data set which we all know, which is the IRIS data set. This data set contains 3 classes of 50 instances each, and each class refers to a type of IRIS plant. The data set which I mentioned has 4 features: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. The fifth column is for the species which holds a value for these types of plants. For example, one of the types is a setosa, as shown in the image below. Okay, to start the Python coding for k-means clustering, let's start by importing the libraries. Okay, so what is unsupervised machine learning is? In simple words, without human interruption, the machine works by itself. Okay, so using NumPy, Matplot, and Pandas, Cmon, we are importing the dataset and libraries. Okay, we are reading the dataset. We are reading the IRIS dataset using the datasets.load underscore IRIS method. Okay, so after reading, we get this output. Now, for performing the scatter plot, we are using x is equal to iris.data and y is equal to iris.target, and we want the output. The plotting should be in O shape, and we want the color in yellow color, and the border or the edge color we want it in black. Okay, so this is the output. We get it here. Now we are fixing for sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width of the data set for x variable. Now we are using the elbow method to find the optimal number of clusters. So to implement elbow method, we need to create some Python code. So that is what we have written it below. The number of clusters and the corresponding error value matters here. Okay, so that is what we have written here, and this is the output which we get, and you can see an optimal value between 2 and 4. Okay, let's go to the implementation part. This is for implementing k-means clustering with k is equal to 3. I am applying k-means to the data set by using k-means object, and we are implementing it, and so we are getting this output, and we are getting the cluster centers value 2. Now we are going to visualize all the 3 values. Okay, we are going to visualize all the 3 values, and now the first 2 columns alone, the first 3 lines are representing for the first 2 columns alone, and as I said, we are using setosa, various color, and so on. Okay, for the centroids, we are using scatter k-means cluster underscore centers. Okay, now we are going to plot the legendary value, and yes, this is the output which we are getting. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. I have attached my GitHub code. Thank you.